I just unlocked a ridiculously powerful AI workflow that fuses Notebook with Canva. And trust me, almost nobody is talking about this yet. What makes it wild is that it's not just cool tech, it's genuinely one of the simplest and most repeatable ways to start making real money with AI right now. And the best part? Anyone can learn it. I'm about to walk you through one exact NotebookLM plus Canva workflow, step by step. All right, before we jump in, here's the deal. I honestly think this is one of the smartest AI opportunities most people still don't know about. But just to be real, there's no guarantee you'll make money. Starting an online business is tough, even if you do everything right. What I can promise is this: I'll show you the exact workflow, step by step, with everything you need to get started. So let's dive in. Horses, welcome to AI Smart Wealth. If you want to follow along with all our tips, tricks, and step-by-step AI workflows, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single video. All right, here's how this tutorial is going to work. We'll break it down into 3 clear steps.
Just head over to notebooklm.google.com. I like to think of NotebookLM as the brain of this entire workflow. If you've never used it before, it's a really powerful tool and surprisingly easy to use. NotebookLM even gives you examples to get started. For example, here's one focused on trends in health and wealth. Let's open it.
What they've done here is upload multiple sources related to health, wealth, and happiness from around the world. Notebook then consolidates all of that information into one place.
If you want a full step-by-step breakdown of NotebookLM, I've made a separate video that goes much deeper into this. You'll find the link at the top of the page and also in the description below.
Now, if you want to create something like an ebook or a long-form article, this is where things get really practical. Inside Notebook, click on Create a new notebook. From here, you can start adding sources like website links, YouTube videos, or written content.
For this example, we're going to use Etsy as our research source. Head over to etsy.com and in the search bar, type in ebook or ebooks. What you want to do here is scan what's already selling. Pay attention to pricing, demand, and how these ebooks are positioned. Click into a product that stands out.
For my example, I'm choosing a book called How to Train Hunting Dogs. This one is priced at $68. It's actually a physical book, not an ebook, but that's fine for research purposes. I always check the reviews. I read through what people are saying, what they like, and what they complain about. Reviews tell you exactly what the market wants. Once I've reviewed the feedback, I copy the product link from the top of the page.
Now, head back into NotebookLM. Inside the notebook, I paste the link into the website section and click Insert. NotebookLM pulls that information in, and now I can analyze the content, the ideas, and the market demand all in one place.
Now this is where Notebook becomes incredibly powerful. Instead of guessing what to create, we can ask Notebook very specific questions about this book and its audience. For example, I'll ask, what do people dislike about this book? What complaints or criticisms show up in the reviews?
NotebookLM analyzes the reviews and pulls out common issues, frustrations, and gaps that people mention. This is huge because now we're not creating blindly. We're letting real customer feedback guide our ideas. We take these insights and keep them in mind when creating our own ebook or article. The goal is simple: keep what people love and fix what they don't. That's how you create a better product, by learning directly from the market before you ever design or write anything.
Now, to make this even stronger, we start adding more sources. We don't just rely on one book. We add related websites, articles, and YouTube videos directly into NotebookLM. As you can see here, I'm pasting in different links and URLs, and each one gets added as a source.
The more high-quality sources you add, the better your final article or ebook becomes. It gives your content more depth, more accuracy, and more credibility. Think of these sources as building blocks. NotebookLM uses all of them together to help you create something more complete, almost like having a research assistant working for you in the background.
At this point, inside NotebookLM, I'll type a prompt like this. I want to create my own How to Train Hunting Dogs ebook. Create an outline for me. And just like that, NotebookLM generates a complete outline for the book. It breaks everything down into clear sections and chapters, giving us a solid structure to work with.
Now, let's move on to stage 2, Canva. Head over to Canva, and once we're inside, click on Create. From here, search for ebook cover. Canva will show you a variety of pre-made ebook cover templates. Choose a design that fits your topic, then click Edit to customize it.
For this example, we'll update the title to How to Train Hunting Dogs. This is where you can start making the ebook your own. Adjust the text, fonts, colors, and layout so it looks professional and matches your niche.
Now, when you click on Add Page, Canva will automatically add a page that looks similar to the cover. We don't need this page right now. I'm just showing it to you so you understand how it works. Go ahead and click the small arrow on the right side, then simply delete that page. Next, from the left menu, select Documents. This is where we'll build the inside of the ebook.
Here, you can choose a document design that fits your style. Click on the design you like, and Canva will apply it to the page. Now let's add a table of contents ... for the outline. We'll head back to Notebook. This is where our structure already exists. Copy the outline from Notebook and paste it directly into Canva.
You'll do the same for the rest of the pages. Copy each section from the NotebookLM outline and paste it into Canva, one page at a time. This is how you build the entire ebook step by step. If you want, you can also create separate document pages for different sections or chapters. Each time, you simply go back to NotebookLM, copy the next part of the outline or content, and paste it into Canva. You repeat this process until your entire ebook is complete.
Once your ebook is finished, it's time to export the file. In Canva, click on Share, then select Download. For the file type, choose PDF Standard. Make sure the checkbox is selected, and then click Download. That's it, your ebook is now created and ready to go. At this point, we're done with stage 2. In the next stage, we'll move into Etsy, where we'll upload this ebook, list it for sale, and turn it into an income-generating product.
And now take a look at this. Just like that, we have a complete ebook. The cover looks clean, the layout is professional, and all the content is organized. Something that would normally take hours or even days to create is now done in a fraction of the time. This is the power of combining AI with the right tools. At this point, our ebook is fully ready. In the next step, we'll move into Etsy and show you how to upload this book, list it for sale, and turn it into a real income opportunity.
Now we move into step 3, and this is the most exciting part of the entire process. This is where everything we built so far turns into a real opportunity for income. Head over to Etsy.com and log into your account. From the top menu, click on Shop Manager. On the left-hand side, select Listings.
Then click Add a listing in the top right corner of the page. A new window will open. This is where you'll start setting up your product. First, choose the appropriate category for your ebook. Make sure it matches your niche so Etsy knows exactly who to show it to. This step is important because the right category helps your listing get discovered by the right buyers.
In the category section, select ebook. Once you choose that, Etsy will show you different options related to ebooks. For this example, I'm selecting How To. Depending on the type of ebook you're creating, you can choose the option that best fits your content. After that, click Continue to move on to the next step.
On the next screen, under Tell us about your listing, select Digital File. This tells Etsy that your product is a digital download, meaning buyers will receive the file instantly after purchase, no physical shipping required. This is exactly what we want for an ebook.
Next, you'll answer a few listing details. For who made it, select I did. For what is it? Choose a finished product. For when was it made? Select a recent range, like 2020 to 2025. Then, under How is this digital content created? Choose the option that applies to you, either created by me or created with the help of an AI generator. Select the option that best reflects your process, then click Continue.
On the next page, you'll start with the title. Choose a title for your ebook that is easy to understand and clearly describes what you're selling. For example, I'm using How to Train Hunting Dogs. Next, under Photos and Videos, Etsy allows you to upload up to 20 images and 1 video.
To create these images, we head over to Canva. There, you can design professional-looking visuals for your ebook cover images, sample pages, and anything else that helps showcase your product. Once your images are ready, upload them here to make your listing visually appealing and stand out to potential buyers.
In Canva, go to the Canva AI section and select Image. Here, you can generate or choose the image you want for your ebook. Use this feature to create a professional-looking cover, sample pages, or any visual content that enhances your listing.
Once you're in Canva, go to the Canva AI section. At the bottom, click on Image and type in a prompt to generate the image you want. For the image text, you can also use the Grab Text feature if you want to extract text from another source. When your image is ready, download it by clicking the Share button in the top right corner and selecting Download as a PNG file. Now your image is ready to be uploaded to your Etsy listing.
Now, head back into Etsy. Here, you'll upload your product files. Etsy allows you to upload multiple files if needed. Under the Digital Files section, click Add a File and upload your ebook PDF, article, or any other digital content you're selling. Once uploaded, your files are ready for buyers to download after purchase.
Next, let's work on the description. Under What makes your item special? We'll use AI to help craft a compelling description. Go to Canva AI, disable the image option, and enable the text option. Type in your instructions for the AI to generate a professional description. Once it's ready, copy the text and paste it directly into the Etsy description field.
Now, set your price and inventory. For example, I priced my ebook at $50, but you can choose any price that fits your market from $1, $10, or higher. Set the quantity here, chose 100. Fill out any remaining required fields, then click Publish to finish. And just like that, you've created and listed your ebook for sale. This is a simple, professional workflow that lets you create a digital product and start generating income using AI and Canva.
You want more AI money-making workflows like this? Subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop new guides every week, and you don't want to miss the next one.